Right, people, welcome back to the next lesson. I just completed joint B. I solved for members A, B, and BC. And I said at the end of the last lesson, I can now go to joint A because AB is done. And now we only have AC and AF as unknown, so now we can solve the joint. Okay, we said AB was intension. AB was intention, that means it's pulling away from the joint like so. And AB was 13.91 kilonewtons. I'm going to just squeeze it in here, 13.91 kilonewtons like so. Okay, it's intention. If it was compression, it would be pushing toward the joint, but that's intention. Okay, so now we need to solve AC and AF. Right, I am going to assume, if I look at the structure, I'm definitely thinking AF is going to be in compression, and I think AC is going to be in compression too, so it's going to do something like so. And because AC is at an angle, I'm going to resolve it into its components like so. Right, people? And of course, we need angles. So if you do the maths, you do the trigonometry, that angle inside there, we already got this angle earlier. I think we did we? Yes, the angle inside there was, I think it was 49. That angle inside there was 49.45 degrees. So that angle there is going to be 49.54 degrees alternately. So therefore, that component is AC cos of 49.45 degrees, cos 49.45 degrees, and that's going to be AC times the sine of that same angle, 49.45 degrees. Okay, make this a bit nicer. Okay, so that component there is AC cos 49.45. This component there is AC sine of the same angle. Right, solve vertical, solve horizontals. Where am I going to start? I am going to start by the, let's see, I'm going to start by the verticals first because we know this one. And now we can find AC. So I'm going to say, right. Right, the sum of the verticals is equal to 0. Right, that will be plus 13.91 minus AC sine 45, AC sine 49.45 degrees. There's no more, so it's equal to 0. Right, therefore I can solve AC, and just don't write it down. Go back and check if you get the same answers as I. And for AC, if I do my calculation, I'm going to get AC to be equal to 18.31 kilonewtons. And because I get a positive answer, it means that my assumption that AC is in compression is in fact correct. Okay, so that one is done. Right, are we done? No, I need to solve horizontally to find AF. So I'm going to say the sum of the horizontals is equal to 0. Right, as I said in applied mechanics, there's 1, 2, 3 forces. You can take them in any order, doesn't matter. Just get the signs right and get them all. Okay, so 35.68 minus AF minus AC cos 49.45. So it's minus AC cos 49.45 degrees. There's no more, so it's equal to 0. But we know AC from that over there. So therefore, we can solve for AF. Make AF the subject. And if you do calculation, don't believe me, go back and check it out. AF is equal to 23.78 kilonewtons. And because my answer is positive, it means that AF is in fact in compression. Okay, so people, I've now finished member BC and BA from joint B, and I've now completed members AC and AF from joint B. Okay, all right, so now if I go back to my sketch, I've completed member BC, BA, and AC and AF. I can now go to that one there, can I? Yes, because CD and AF are now unknown, so I can go there. When I'm done there, I can go there and go and then end up at E. Okay, but people, that's all I'm going to do for this thrust, because you know what to do. You just repeat the process. But I just want to make a big note here. Make a big note. Are you tuning in? That force and that force and that force are all at right angles to member BE. 90, 90, 90. Okay. This member here and this member here, they come in at these distances here along member BE. Now, a lot of people seem to think, oh, there's a sketch that member AC and FT is at right angles to member BE. It is not at right angles to. So that angle inside there and that angle inside there are not right angles. Okay. So this triangle here, CAF, and triangle DFE are not isosceles. Those two angles there, it's not equal to each other, and those two angles there are not equal to each other. Okay, you need to be careful of that. I'm saying it again. Member CA and member DF is not at right angles to member BE. That's not a 90-degree angle. That's a 99-degree angle. But the forces there are at right angles too. You need to get the angles correct. Okay, be careful. So I will post the values in the, I think in the next, I'll post a document which will give you the angle, or I'll put the sketch up there, and I will tell you exactly what the forces should be and whether they're tension or compression, and I'll give you the answers for that one there, and you work toward that. Okay, people, that's all for the method of sections. Complete all of it. I will give you the answers for the rest of the members. I'll give you the size of the forces, the nature of the forces, and I'll give you the next exercises. That's what you need to do. And yes, I will see you in the next lesson.